What's up, guys? Mario B back here again, and got a new video for you. So just want to let you know, start out with, the reason this whole adventure started was got an E-Revo, Traxxas for Christmas. Thing's epic for one, and I'll tell you guys a little bit of that later. But basically, I ended up tearing a tire and went online to go order a new one, and found another RC car for a pretty damn decent deal. Came across a Team Energy A7X and figured it'd be fun to be able to drive with my pops or friends or whoever comes over, so I picked one of them up. And yeah, so we're gonna go do a review on both cars, compare them in size and speed and durability and everything else. So we're gonna be starting up this new YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing a bunch of crazy shenanigans. We're gonna be building stuff and breaking stuff and just kind of figuring out life, having fun, going on crazy adventures. So stay tuned, subscribe, stay blessed, and yeah, give us a thumbs like up if you enjoy the video, and or if not, give us a thumbs down and give us a comment what we should fix and what we should do next. Cheers, guys. Peace. Team Energy A7X in the mail. Opening her up. See what we got in the box. See, that's pretty.
Solid little buggy.
That'll do. Ooh, 4,000 amps. Brush for this. Ready to go. Just charge her up. See how she does. And then we got the T3X. Pretty legit. How's it feel?
Solid, good weight, very precise, nice controller.
Alright, charge it up, see what she does.
Oh, this don't work on your charger.
Not a bad deal. $360 I think it was. 7 scale. Team Energy A7X. See how she does. Going full send, baby. So, just as a full disclaimer, guys, I don't claim to be an RC expert whatsoever. I've actually been out of the RC game for like, I don't know, 10 or almost 15 years. And last RC car I had was Nitro, and it's a 10 scale, so these new ones are a little bit different with the LiPo batteries, all the brushless motors, all the new technology. So I'm just giving you a perspective on the consumer that wants to go have a good time on a budget, but still be able to send it when he wants to. And so you guys will get an understanding of one of the most expensive cars on the market, and durable and fastest, as well as one of the more budget-friendly, same scale. Well, it's a 7 scale buggy as opposed to, I believe it's an 8 scale basher truck, and yeah, kind of get to feel and see the difference. So I'll let you know. Stay posted. Cheers. All right. So here's the E-Revo that I got for Christmas. Thanks, Mom and Pops. It's definitely been dope being able to drive, but yeah, I went through these tires super quick. I think just sliding toward the sidewall. and ended up picking up these monster freaking tires, the Durtrax 6-packs MTs, and yeah, you can see she's quite beefy now with those babies on there. Should do pretty damn well in the sand and hook up in this dirt pretty good. AX7 Buggy here, which as you can see is pretty damn similar size to the E-Revo. You can see they're pretty much the same as far as the E-Revo being an 8 scale and X7 Team Energy being a 7 scale as far as width. So it's basically the same size. So this new 7 scale, I don't know. The only difference between the 7 scale Buggy and the 8 scale Buggy is, I think it's 3 inches or 4 inches in length and about 2 or 3 inches in width. So
yes, I'm on fire, yeah, let's go. Rip your pants.
Nail it. What the hell are you doing? What? You got it. Yeah. You gotta pin it over that, dude. That jump, that fucking hole's huge. What do you think? Not a bad deal for $250. That thing doesn't get stuck, can it? Can't believe that.
Pretty damn fresh out of the box package, that's for sure. Pretty quick on the stock batteries, had a couple issues with them, I'll go over later. But yeah, it's easy to drive, responsive. Tires do pretty decent on the actual like muddy terrain, sticky, grippy, clayey dirt, sandy stuff. They're pretty slick, but all in all, it's a freaking fun car for $350. Gets you ready to run, that's for sure. So, put it through its paces. Pretty damn tough. I haven't broken it yet, and I'm pretty good at breaking things. So, see how long it takes to break it and have more fun.
What's up, guys? We are back. Just trying to fix this baby up from our little bash and run, little incident we had with the ESC, and getting that tightened up. We're gonna zip tie it down. Got some 5200 milliamp batteries, 2 cells. Gonna give it a test with those and give it another run. I think that'll do. Got a little zip ties. Well, that's the end of that baby. Finally broke her. I kind of ran into the fence post, and I think I either snapped the control arm off or broke the tie rod in. Yep, it's official. She's broken. Sorry, dude.
I'm not playing with you no more, dude. You got me so dirty.
Let me see. Man, all in all, I think took some pretty damn good abuse though. Hit that fence pretty hard. Oh yeah. Minor details. Could have been worse. Sweet. Test is over. But put this thing through the paces for about 3 charges, 2 days worth of beating, and everything seemed to be pretty solid aside from that little tie rod joint that broke off right there. But minor details. Other than that, everything looks pretty. Let's get this off here. Everything's still pretty intact, as you can see. Pretty damn solid. So as far as a $350 out of the box package turnkey
and being able to beat on it on the field like the way we did, and be able to go play on the track and have a good time, I think it's a pretty damn good deal. I mean, the e-Revo is amazing. It's definitely insane what it's able to do as far as jumping and speeds and everything else, but for bang for buck, shoot, man, you can't argue with the amount that you get out of this and the grins it'll put on your face for the price. So yeah, go check out Team Energy, and I don't know, I look forward to testing out more of their products and having fun. Stay tuned, we're gonna be putting a track out here soon, so all you California people, RC heads, be ready for a Central Cal track, because it's gonna be pretty epic. Cheers, guys. Stay blessed. Keep them spinning. So one thing I did find out that was pretty cool with this baby, breaking that, is actually comes with aluminum spindles or hubs and spindles. Pretty cool. No wonder that part didn't break. Thing's built pretty damn well for the price. So now we are going to be putting these babies on here, and yeah, seeing how she does as a basher with some bigger tires in the field, and then take her to Pismo, see how it does. So you guys should be sure to stay posted. Our next video, we're heading out to Pismo and a couple dirt jumps and a couple other crazy terrains, see what we can find and see how these things do. So stay posted. We're gonna go full send like always, wide open. Yeah. Cheers, guys.
You clipped the. This is becoming fucking more exercise for me than I had anticipated.